Hello friends, today we're going to continue with our lessons on photosynthesis. In the last video we watched, we talked about the light reactions, the light dependent part of photosynthesis. Keep in mind, photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. And the chloroplast essentially has two divisions. It has the thylakoids and it has this fluid known as a stroma. In the video on light-dependent part of photosynthesis, we learned what goes on in the thylakoid to make oxygen and to make the energy that the Calvin cycle needs to make glucose. Okay, friends, this is the Calvin cycle. You don't have to remember all the steps. You don't have to remember all the molecules. I just want you to see or try to understand the process of what's going on when the carbon dioxide hooks up with the energy, ATP and NADPH. Well, first of all, the carbon got to be captured. And what happens is you have a 5-carbon molecule here, RUBP, and when the carbon gets attached to it, now we have a 6-carbon molecule, which gets reduced to 2 3-carbon molecules. And how does that happen? Well, the NADPH we got from the thylakoid, the ATP we got from the thylakoid allows this to happen till we get a net gain of 1 molecule of glucose. Well, now we need to build this 5-carbon molecule again, what's left over from the first part of this process. And how do we do that? Well, we use ATP from the thylakoids to make that 5-carbon molecule. So that's all you need to understand about this. You don't have to remember the names of the parts of the process. All you need to know is the carbon dioxide comes in and uses the energy from the thylakoid, the ATP, and the NADPH to make glucose. As usual, friends, have fun and keep learning.